Is he still using a potty? Oh my God! You please deal with her.
Pull yourself together, Mrs. Singh.
Shall I ring for a doctor?
No, I think our friend here should take her home.
I don't think she's in a fit condition to go anywhere.
Hang on, I have got those tablets the hospital gave me.
Is that advisable, sir?
I can't do any harm, they're just for headache. Get some water, will you?
मेडिकल शू थेरेपी ना इन दैट केस माउथ टू माउथ देते हो बे हैं
साला माउथ में जूता घुसा दो जूता समझ गए
Water.
यस सर यू ड्रिंक दिस एंड swallow these
Drink this?
no
पुड़ी बाबा हमरे शेफ
about a dozen
पुड़ी बाबा
Make her vomit.
What?
Make her vomit. Where is the bathroom?
through there right left
Come on. Come on.
oh salt water right
Eno and vinegar. No.
Lofty no Bindu you were supposed to be staying in a hotel
It all seemed pretty silly, Mithu.
no very good idea Mithu I'll join you there later come
Hang on. What's going on here?
nothing's going on
There seems to be something happening in the bedroom.
bedroom nahi
The police inspector just carried the nun through there.
I forgotten she fainted
How awful. Kaise?
we wouldn't donate she became hysterical and then fell sick
And what's that farmer doing?
oh well lucky he was still here you know he's a bit of a wet
You better deal with this and pumpkin. You were supposed to be in a hotel.
she thought it was silly
How's your nun?
My what?
how's sister Meera
Oh, sister Meera.
is she feeling better
I'm afraid she is.
क्या गाली दे रही है? Oh, hello, Mrs. Singh.
How is she?
She is still feeling pretty rotten. Could she lie on your bed for a while?
Yeah, okay.
okay what no that wasn't a good idea Inspector
Why not?
because I don't want my Mrs. Singh getting violent with his Mrs. Singh or his Mrs. Singh getting violent with my Mrs. Singh
Why should either of them get violent?
why not
Don't you try any of your fun and games with me, Lofty. What on earth did I do? You took my shirt off. Only so I could get you into bed. Shall I talk about ambidextrous?
all a bit of misunderstanding that's it
Can you put that in writing?
I will sort out her dress.
It won't fit you, pussy.
just relax
Yes, you relax, sister. Don't you call me sister.
she's still under training you see
In this company, I bloody well am. I've never heard such language from a nun.
There you are.
come I'll drive you to the convent
What the hell do I want to go to a convent for?
I think that could be the solution for all of us.
Is this because you won't give her a donation? What he gives me is a damn sight more natural than what he gives.
sister Meera please
Sister, is Mr. Singh your brother? Sir, you please deal with her and show her some affection or something.
Is this how she was behaving before?
yes sir
It is not natural to agree to have no sex.
excuse me
Inspector, really, that was very indelicate.
Well, that is what her trouble is. Not getting her rations.
She doesn't want any rations. She's married to him. I'll tell Mr. Singh you'd like to see him.
Thanks. Sorry for interrupting your cleaning work.
Huh?
Still here, I see.
It's become a way of life, Thakur Sahab.
Who are you, sir?
May I ask who you are?
He asked you first.
आप कौन हैं?
I am a police officer.
Let's start again. Inspector Thakur, Malvi Nagar Police.
Inspector Rathore, Kalka ji.
Are you here in some official capacity?
Sort of semi. And yourself?
Sort of semi. You are from Kalkaji Police, you say.
That's right.
May I see your identification, please?
Certainly. I don't seem to have it on me at present. I told you it is semi-official.
I see.
Can I see your identification?
Sure.
It is all very understandable.
Well, I would like you to remain quiet till I have checked you out.
Checked me out.
for God's sake that's all hell Inspector
Good morning again, Mr. Singh.
That sister hit me. You will get get another one if you touch me again, Lofty.
Is this lady your sister?
Lady, come on, show us your boobs. I dare you.
Hang on, hang on.
Let's ring Mother Superior and get her out of here.
Mother who?
I am staying where I am, Lofty. Are you a police officer?
Yes, I am.
मैं कुछ बोलूं?
नहीं, Mr. Mali.
Then can Mr. Singh say something?
No, he cannot, Mr. Mali.
Why are you calling Mr. Singh Mr. Mali?
You shut up.
You just called him Mr. Singh.
Yes, he's a tourist taxi operator from Malviya Nagar.
Taxi operator.
He's a farmer from Maipalpur.
Farmer.
He's a pansy from way back.
That much I know.
मैं कुछ बोलूं?
No. Look, I intend to make some sense of all this. Mr. Singh.
That's me.
And him, there are two of them.
I can see that.
There are two Mr. Singhs, I mean.
Arey, that's their cover-up for the homosexual activities going on here.
What homosexual activities? You take the cake, Lofty.
The activities between him and him.
What?
They have admitted to it.
But they've only just met.
Yes, I introduced them.
I am beginning to see where you fit in, pussy.
Why don't you say something?
Yes, say something.
Well, I'm trying to think of something.
I bet the two of you have been meeting on that farm for ages. Go on, eat your heart out.
I want to confess.
You have confessed already, so shut up.
A proper confession.
He'll decide what's proper.
Jogi, we have had it.
Everybody knows that.
Now, what the hell is wrong with you?
My lovely Jogu.
My lovely Jogu. Now don't tell me you have been giving the maid one as well.
You mean the man Friday? Good. That'll teach you for stealing Jogi from me. How can I steal him from a nun? A nun? Is that what you've been saying about me? Just because I like my sex? No.
No, Mila.
Sex? Where the hell do you go after farmers and nuns?
Huh? Bindu.
The AC is not working, it's so hot. Oh, it's hot here also. Hi.
Now who the bloody hell are you?
Who wants to know sunshine?
Inspector Thakur Sunshine.
Whoo. Whoopsie poo.
So, where do you fit in?
I can fit in anywhere. I practically live here now.
I see.
Yeah, I have a flat above normally.
So you live upstairs
Yeah, with Sunil.
with Sunil. I see. You met one right bloody mess this place is. अच्छा, अब ऊपर जाओ.
I don't think so.
Do as you are told.
Bossy, good, stupid, idiot, ठुल्ला कहेगा, भाग देगा.
I think the time has come.
I think the time came hours ago.
I should have listened to you earlier, Sanjay.
That's what I said.
You said. He said. Okay. Here we go.
The truth,
Of course.
the whole truth.
And nothing but. Please. I would like to say that all the white lies were contrived by me for the simple purpose of covering up my guilty secret. I'm married to that lady in there and live here. And at the same time, I'm married to the other lady and live somewhere else. Correct, Sanjay?
Correct, Jogi.
You lying bastards.
तो प्यार की गंगा बहती तो प्यार के सागर होते देखो मैं बेचारा भागू दोनों में लगाने गोते एक दिल में दो घर होते दोनों में लगाता गोते I could run from a wife here I could run from a wife there I could run from a wife here I could run from a wife there my love जाने जा you're my love oh my love जाने जा you're my love oh my love जाने जा you're my love oh my love my love, जाने चलो माला, oh my love.
Now I would like to call upon a director. Oh, sorry. Now I would like to call upon a director. Mrs. Renu Chopra. Let's go for her.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've been a wonderful, wonderful audience. Thank you so much. I would like to introduce my backstage team to you. My production controller, Parag Agarwal. Production assistant, Sanjeev Sareen. Front office, Poonam and Rachna. Sets and costumes, Suchitra Chauhan. Set execution, Amarjeet and Dalbir. Original music, lyrics and vocal by Sunil Chaudhary. Music arrangement, Sunil and Pooja Shankar. Music assistants, Pramod. Choreography of the title song, Eshna Chopra. Lights, Anand Kapai. Makeup, Mr. Rawat and Veena ji. My rehearsal assistant.